Okay, everybody. We're going to have a little look at the another course at the often options, which is the Digital Technology GCSE. Right. The first thing I need to really let you know about this course is it is brand new this year. In other words, as Year 9 students, it will be the first time anybody in Wales or the world has completed this course. Now, the reason why there is a change from ICT to this is, well, because technology's changed. It changes much faster than anybody would ever expect. And, you've had conversations with people that you know about how technology has changed and the things that you are able to do today with a smartphone that wouldn't have been able to be possible with a whole mainframe system 30 years ago. So this new course brings IT up to date, and it will develop skills which employers increasingly need in the 21st century. We're going to go into a bit more detail about that in a minute. You will learn skills about the Adobe Suite, which is, and some game making suites as well, which includes the Adobe Suite. So it includes Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere, Dreamweaver, which we use to make websites, and you're going to use these to develop a range of solutions. So, what's in the course then? There are 3 elements to the course. There's Unit 1. This is an on-screen assessment. In other words, it is externally marked, and you will complete an exam in the same way as you normally would, apart from the fact that you do it on a screen. This will test your knowledge of digital technology systems. We're talking about different sorts of social media, different ways in which sound is produced, analog and digital media, etc. Unit 2 is digital practice. This is a non-exam assessment. This is going to be the biggest unit that we carry out, and we're going to start by examining a piece of data, and then we're going to use this information to gather information to make a website or a game. It's either or, it's not both. And the Unit 3, which is communicating in the digital world. Now, a lot of the things that go on to apps, etc., and websites you look at are very, very small little designs, which are called assets, which are digital parts. Could be pieces of sound, could be graphics, could be small pieces of video, could be GIFs, etc. And we're going to look at preparing some of those, and we're going to use this to prepare a social media campaign. Okay, who's this course suit? Well, a lot of people, I think, really is the answer to that. There's you really need an interest in working with digital graphics. You need to have some sort of interest in social media, some sort of interest in creating digital items, some sort of interest. It requires a fair amount of creativity. It requires some numerical skills, high degree of accuracy and presentation, and most importantly, it requires a student who is able to work independently. In other words, finding a problem, coming up against a problem, and solving it yourself, and solving it in the best way that you think is best. It's maybe different from the person next door to you. Okay, what's next? What's next after this course? Well, let's have a look. There's lots of A-level computing, access to that, digital design, creative media, etc. There's a BTEC in digital media, and then obviously bearing in mind that degree courses reflect what employers need. There's a huge variety of degrees available. Marketing, games design, web design, video, social media. You could go for your computing style. There's lots and lots of different opportunities, and they are realistic opportunities where we're basically living in a world where lots more people are required for these areas. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. It's a very quick run through. It is quite an exciting new course. I imagine most students are going to really enjoy it. If you've got any further questions, speak to me, email me, see me in the corridor. Okay, thank you.